Welcome to Technical Building Analyzer. Today topic about what is ELCB, Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker, and MCB, Miniature Circuit Breaker. An ELCB stands for Earth Leakage Circuit Breaker. It is a specialized type of circuit breaker designed to protect against electric shocks and electrical fires caused by earth leakage faults in electrical installations. ELCBs are designed to detect small currents leaking to earth from a circuit where they should not be present. This leakage of current might occur due to faults in the wiring, insulation breakdown, or contact between live conductors and the earthed parts of electrical appliances or equipment. When an earth leakage fault is detected, the ELCB automatically trips, disconnecting the circuit from the power supply almost instantly. This rapid interruption of power helps prevent electrical shocks and reduces the risk of fire hazards. MCB stands for Miniature Circuit Breaker. It is a type of electrical switch designed to automatically interrupt the flow of electric current in the event of overcurrents, such as overloads or short circuits, in a circuit. MCBs are widely used in residential, commercial, and industrial electrical installations as a crucial component for protecting electrical circuits and connected devices from damage due to excessive current flow. MCBs are primarily used to protect electrical circuits from overcurrents. They automatically trip or switch off the circuit when an overload, excessive current due to too many devices on the circuit, or a short circuit, sudden, high current surge, occurs, preventing damage to the wiring, appliances, and other electrical components. MCBs are available in various current ratings, typically ranging from a few amperes to around 100 amperes, allowing them to be used for different applications and electrical loads.